Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara, and here I do reviews and unboxings, and we get all kinds of different boxes, and we just try to have a little bit of fun. And I give you a very, very honest review of what I get, my opinion of the box, this, that, and the other is what we do. So, if you're new here, like, subscribe, and comment. If you are not new, I'm seeing you. I'm seeing you in the comments. I appreciate all of you who have been here with me from the beginning. Before I started this video, I seen somebody say, there's a bunch of space above your head. Why don't you, do something different so we can actually see what you're doing with your hands, see you opening the stuff. So, I'm reading the comments and I take it very, very seriously. And okay, so again, I appreciate you guys. We are growing. I just can't believe we're at 117 as of today. It seems like every day I get one or two new people, and I'm just thrilled about it. So, okay, today I have Lurella, which is one of my more favorite boxes, and it's just because there's so many different things in the box. So let's unbox this. First, I've got to stop saying like I've realized that I'm doing that. I've seriously got to stop it. So first, I pulled this out last night, and I always take a peek, and I always look at like one thing. So this is the one thing that I looked at last night. It's an LED makeup mirror. How cute is that? If I can get it out of here. Oh, okay. It came on while I was trying to. All right. So, okay. So it's got a little button in the back. You turn it on, and bang! How cool is that? Like, I love it. So you've got two mirrors, and one is very, very up close, and the other one kind of has the mirror. Like, I don't really. I mean, you can see in it. I mean, I guess in an emergency situation, this thing would come in. Like, it's a perfect little pocket mirror, and it comes with its own charger. So that's really, really cool. Okay, so I haven't looked at anything else. I've seen a couple of spoilers online. I did see. I'm gonna hold that till last. So I'm gonna open the next biggest thing, which is this. And this is one of the spoilers that I've seen. I was wondering if it was gonna be for real. So it is a coffee cup. And of course it says Lurella. I just love that they have just all these different little things. I mean, I would have never thought that I would get a coffee cup in a makeup box, except for like FabFitFun. But I mean, so check that out. I love it. That is a very well-made cup. So yeah, that's cool. And you know what I'm probably going to do with it? Like, I'll probably put it on my vanity, and I'll probably put brushes in it. So, okay. Next is this. And this is it a fanny pack? I don't have my scissors. Oh, I do. They're way... Oh, yeah, I got them. I always have them close, and I always don't think that I have them. But I always do. And I always need them. So it is a fanny pack. Wow. Bringing the 90s back. Yeah. So, well, I mean, I guess you could say it's like a little makeup fanny pack. So that is cool. Like, you've got 3 different compartments. 2 in the front, 1 in the back. That's just cool. Okay. Now, next we have a couple of brushes. What do I always say? You tell me in the comments, what do I always say? All right. Fantasy Glitter Eyeliner. Oh, that worries me because I love glitter and I love eyeliner, but glitter and eyeliner together is a scary thought to me. Because getting glitter in your eyes is not, I don't know. We'll have to check this out and see. Glitter eyeliner. Okay, so I'm sorry in my last video, like Ipsy, I had to rush through it. This one's given me a little more time, so I don't have to rush. So, I mean, oh, it's glitter eyeliner and it's one of these? I was not expecting that. Okay, so. Like, I've already got glitter on me. Like, I'm just the type of person, I walk around with glitter on me all the time. So, I don't know. Can you see glitter? I've got a new light. Thank you, baby, for my light. So yeah, I see it. I see it. So that's interesting. Yeah, I mean, that's going to go more on top and not your waterline. I think that's what they call it. Not a makeup artist here. You guys know that. Okay. So next we have probably a lip. I'm going to guess. Yes. Pretty pink. I have so many lip things right now. I'm not touching this with a 10-foot pole. It's pretty. I mean, I'll open it, but this will go into a giveaway because I have so many pinks and just so many lip products right now. It's crazy. Okay, so last but not least, oh, the Fast and the Fierce. Love it. This looks really cool. Okay, so I guess while I'm opening this, you guys make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share. And like I was saying, like if you've been with me from the beginning, I see you. And I really do appreciate it. I did have somebody unsubscribe the other day, and I don't know if it was over the drama with the mystery box or what, but I lost one and I gained like three or four. So, you know, no matter what, I'm not going to sell out. Like, I'm always going to give you my honest opinion. I mean, even with Truly stuff, like there's been things with Truly that I haven't 100% loved, and I cut myself on Truly today. Like I busted one of the jars in my tub, and I understand Truly is trying to like be environmentally, you know, good, but like the glass is, I'm just going to come up with some like Truly Terra tips and tricks. That's what I'm going to do. Y'all just let me know if you'll watch. Okay, so I got some more pink. Geez, this summer I cannot wait for the fall to come around and get some browns and some nudes. It just seems like, I mean, this is beautiful. Don't get me wrong. I love it. But I'm really tired of pink right now. Like, it just seems like in every box, it's pink, 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 pink. And I don't feel like I could pull off pink. I know I can't even pull off red lipstick. So I tried it, and I tried to do red lipstick in my Ipsy video, or Boxy, or whatever, the icon. And I just didn't like it. Like, it's just not me. So, but yeah, that's all for the Lurella box. What a cool box. You got a fanny pack, you got a coffee cup, you got makeup, you got brushes, you got a little bit of everything. You got a makeup light. Like, how cool. So yeah, I'm going to shut up now, and hopefully this camera's like doesn't go like revert back to what it did. So, I will see you guys in the next.